Hey Mouseketeers! We're going to unbox a Disney Doorables Encanto and a Disney Doorables Disney Wish box set. Each box has 9 exclusive figures. These are not really mystery figures of Doorables because you should get all 9 figures that's on the back of the boxes. And the same thing with Disney Wish. You should get all 9 figures that's on the back of the box. But we're going to open these up, see what we get, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, Mouseketeers. Stay tuned for the end as we scroll over everything that we unboxed. And I hope you enjoyed watching. If you don't subscribe already, please click the subscribe button below. And if you do subscribe, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And as always, Mouseketeers, I'll put in the description, I'll put the link so that you can buy your own of these Disney Doorables if you'd like. And I'll see you real soon. Thanks for watching, Mouseketeers.